Welcome to the course introduction for NextWaveSTEM's 9 through 12 Drone Pilot Certification course. This course prepares students with all the content knowledge they need to take and pass the Federal Aviation Administration Part 107 exam. The course includes 15 engaging lessons with pre-made presentations, activity sheets, and lesson plans. No previous drone flying experience is necessary. For this course, students will need an internet-connected device such as a Chromebook, tablet, or laptop. There are other optional materials suggested for the course, such as small educational drones, drone flying cones, landing pads, and of course PPE. The highlight of this course centers around preparing students to take their FAA Part 107 exam, ranging in topics from the aviation industry, FAA regulations, airspace classification, map reading, pre-flight procedures, flight operations, and many more. Students get to apply their knowledge through hands-on drone-related activities. Drone Industry Insights estimates the commercial drone market to be worth $54.6 billion by 2030, with the highest demand from real estate, construction, and agriculture. If you would like to learn more about the Drone Pilot Certification course or other course offerings, please visit nextwavestem.com.